In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy USDT using Cash App. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So buying USDT or Tether directly using Cash App isn't possible, but you can use Cash App to buy Bitcoin and then transfer it to a cryptocurrency exchange where you can trade Bitcoin for USDT. So here's a step-by-step guide. So first you want to buy Bitcoin on Cash App. So first download and open Cash App, verify your account, and access the Bitcoin section. So tap the investing tab on the home screen and select Bitcoin. Tap buy, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase, and confirm your purchase by following the on-screen prompts. Now you want to transfer your Bitcoin to a cryptocurrency exchange. So create an account on a cryptocurrency exchange. So choose a reputable exchange that supports USDT. So examples are Binance, Coinbase, Kraken. So create an account and complete any necessary verification process. Now get your exchange's Bitcoin wallet address. So in your exchange account, go to the deposit section, select Bitcoin and get the deposit address. Now you want to withdraw your Bitcoin from Cash App to the exchange. So open Cash App and go to the investing tab again, select Bitcoin and then tap withdraw Bitcoin. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send and paste the exchange's Bitcoin wallet address and confirm the transaction. So next is you want to trade your Bitcoin for USDT on the exchange. So wait for the transfer to complete. So it may take some time for the Bitcoin transfer to be confirmed and appear in your exchange account. Now go to the trading section. So once your Bitcoin is available on the exchange, go to the trading section. Now choose the BTC/USDT trading pair to trade your Bitcoin for Tether. Now place a trade. So enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to trade for USDT, confirm the trade, and the USDT will then be available in your exchange wallet. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.